Are you looking for a list of your transactions for the year? Let me show you how to find that through a quick search. So to start, I'm going to open up the menu in Flex, and under the search header, I'm clicking Quick Search. Now I'm going to change the search template on the top left to 8-cross property. This is going to make sure we're searching the residential, land, multifamily, and commercial property types all together. Next, I'm changing the status to closed and adjusting my date range. I'm going to continue to scroll down the criteria fields until I see listing/selling member. In this field, I'm going to either input my name or my ID number to find myself. Select your name from the list and check off co-listing member and co-selling member just in case you are input in that position and may have forgotten. Now, we can either click View Results at the top, or we can click the List tab to the top right of the map. Either way, you will be shown a list of the results from your search. If you're looking for some basic statistics on these listings, you can click the Stats tab on the upper right. I hope you found today's quick tip video helpful. If you did, give it a like. Also, check out the rest of the Maine Listings YouTube channel for even more videos like this one.